He's an Oscar-nominated actor, the new face of Minsher, and a very big deal in Minnesota's Somali community.
Yeah, but Barkhad Cabdi has also recently run into some travel troubles because of some troubles in his past. Tom Lydon now here to explain.
Well, guys, we've learned tomorrow Barkhad Cabdi is meeting with U.S. Customs and Border Protection for what's known as a deferred inspection. This after the actor was recently detained at the airport because of his criminal record.
When Barkhad Cabdi was introduced last week as the new spokesperson for Minnesota's Health Insurance Exchange, he was curiously quiet. His agent telling the press he was too tired to talk to the media. But there may have also been subjects he didn't want to talk about. It was last month, February 17th, when Barkhad Cabdi flew into Twin Cities International from London.
Barkhad Cabdi for Captain Phillips.
It was the day after winning the British Film Award for Best Supporting Actor for his breakthrough role in Captain Phillips.
Look at me. Sure. Look at me. I'm the captain now.
But it was Customs and Border Protection calling the shots at Terminal 1. Fox 9 News has learned customs agents detained Barkhad Cabdi because of his criminal history. Cabdi is a permanent resident, so his status is different than a U.S. citizen. His criminal record includes an arrest for drug possession 2 years ago in Iowa for marijuana and khat, charges later dropped, and a theft case a decade ago in South Dakota, also dismissed. In Minnesota, he's been convicted of credit card fraud and giving false information to police, and a half dozen traffic violations, all misdemeanors or gross misdemeanors. But sources tell Fox 9 if Cabdi wasn't a resident alien, he would have been barred from even entering the U.S. with that kind of rap sheet. A British tabloid first revealed Cabdi's criminal past a few months ago, Cabdi later giving the Daily Beast his only comment, saying, "I look at that time and think it made me who I am now. Our mistakes shape us. I made mistakes to satisfy certain friends and to be cool, and I took the consequences." And he still is as far as U.S. Customs is concerned. Of course, he's hardly the first actor who's had a run-in with the law. And the only thing Hollywood loves better than someone who goes from limo driver to Oscar contender is a man who learns from and owns his past.
We came from nothing and we got this. Thank you.
And the honors keep coming for him today. The Twins announced Barkhad will throw out the first pitch at the home opener April 7th. U.S. Customs says it can't comment on specific cases, but said, generally speaking, people entering this country must demonstrate they are admissible. The actor's agent declined to comment. In fact, the agent denied he had any criminal record and then laughed at me and hung up in a condescending way that I think only a Hollywood agent can do.
Nothing in it for him, right? So Barkhad meets with customs agents tomorrow, right? Any chance he would be deported?
No chance whatsoever, I'm told. You know, more than likely what's going to happen is he's going to be issued something called a notice to appear, which is essentially a ticket, and he will go before an administrative judge, or they could decline prosecution at all. But the fact of the matter is, Randy, there's no appetite right now to prosecute these types of cases, whether he's an Oscar winner or not. This is something that they are going to try to deal with more than likely in some kind of administrative way.
An honest response to the question.
I think he did too.
Yeah.
And you know, I think he can turn this into being a role model. Say, hey, you know what? I had a hard scrabble background. I did these things and I overcame it. I think that's a great lesson.
All right. Thanks, Tom.